So, good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining the Zimmermann press conference. So, this is the first press conference we have in this year, and we're really happy to announce a lot of new things that we had in the last couple of months, and you will see in the next few months. So we really appreciate that you took your time to be here in this morning because we know that the exhibition time is also for you a really busy time. So thanks for being here, and thanks to Tim and his team from Bernard and Company to support us and helping organizing everything. Before we start with the news, new facility, new president, new product line, whatever. So everything is new for Zimmermann. I would like to introduce the three of us as part of the Zimmermann team. So let's start with Cornelius. He's since February 1st in this year the president of Zimmermann Inc. Zimmermann is not a new company for him, so he worked since 2010 successful in the sales team in Germany in our headquarters. Then here we have Yves Klein. He's our sales and project manager. He also has a lot of Zimmermann experience and worked for 3 years, yeah, in the headquarters in Germany. And my name is Lena. I work for Zimmermann since a couple of months. And I support the sales team with my marketing and PR experience. So I would say let's start with Cornelius. He will give you a little overview about the new facility and the changes and the plans for the next year. And then both of them will introduce the new product of our gantry family and the new product line that we have.
So, thank you, Lena. Welcome everybody to the 2017 press conference here at the Zimmermann booth. After the first day on the Eastec, we proudly can present some news and new innovations coming from Zimmermann. First, I would like to. It's an interactive conference, so we will go over the news and the facts and some innovations on our models and also on our machine product movie. News and facts. After 2004, the Zimmermann Inc. was founded. We had several successful years and in total more than 120 installed machines in the North American market. So the right message to the market in this case can only be a new headquarter, which was finally built and assembled last year. So we moved from Novi, Michigan to the new location, to the new headquarters in Wixom, Michigan. Overall, we have more than 13,000 square feet of shop and office area. So we have the possibility to do final assembling of our compact family in the attached shop floor. We have the possibility to grow and that's the future aspect of us, to grow the whole Zimmermann Inc. family overall. We extend our service and spare part package. This is another reason, and this is overall the message to the market, how important the market is for us. It's not only the 120 existing customers, it's the future customers too that brings us to this kind of solution and to this kind of message. So, sorry, I do not have an updated picture of the summer season. It's just the winter picture. You can see, in the front part there's the office area for the sales team. So Yves and myself, we're responsible for the sales in the US market, and we have 2 service engineers located in Michigan area and over the whole country. So, and on the back side you can see the attached shop floor for our final assembling in the future. Yeah, it's just a picture of how we want to extend our service and spare part package to be faster, to be quicker and more accurate in kind of service. This is necessary on the market to be the supplier for that kind of machine. It's not only for the Zimmermann family. It's not only the headquarters, the news in the US. It is also our new facility in Germany, where the mother company in Stuttgart is located, close to Stuttgart. So we doubled the capacity of the assembling area. There you can see just an updated picture. The opening will be beginning of July. There will be a grand opening with some additional shows for our news coming later for the new products. So overall, Zimmermann is growing. Also, China market is important for us. We have our own subsidiary since 2 years. So this is the main message. Not only the US, also the mother company is growing itself. Yeah, we have a totally new assembling hall. So, and after the overall information, facts of Zimmermann, how is it going? So, everything is growing. I want to come back to the main reason for this conference, press conference. It is the technology, the development, all the news from the technical side of Zimmermann. So for this, first of all, I'm more involved in the metrics, not in the inch and foot. So all the further things we will go through metrics. I will hand over to Yves, and he will go through the first machine development, the FC40 Compact.
Yeah, good morning everybody from my side. Yeah, my name is Yves Klein and I'm responsible for sales and project management. And I want to give you some key facts about our new FC40 Compact. The 40 Compact is from our product line, the compact machines. That means you don't need an additional foundation for this machine. So it's basically you can build it on our regular shop floor. So that's one advantage of this machine. It's basically our smallest machine. We have in the X we have 2.4 meter. In the Y axis we have 2.9 meter, and in C 1.25 meter. That's 94 by 114 by 49 inches travel range. So the overall size of this machine, that means the footprint what you need in your shop floor for the whole machine with aggregates, like chip conveyor, cooling aggregate, coolant unit, everything is 300 by 350 by 230 inch. And this machine is typically for machining in titanium, steel, for the harder materials. So the basic of this machine is from the other very successful FC33 Compact, what is designed for aluminium and some other materials, not like steel and titanium. So the difference between these two machines is the structure. The whole machine is more rigid, so you need it to machine in steel and titanium. Also, we have in this machine a new designed BH60 head with a 63 kilowatt spindle and 300 Newton meter. That's the standard spindle for this machine. And we have one other machine spindle type with 94 kilowatt and 444 newton meters. So yeah, this machine we build it on stock. That means for us we after several time period we built a machine in our assembly hall in Germany to provide a shorter delivery time, that the lead time is shorter, because that's a machine. It's basically each machine is from the from the specification or the options is the same. So we have a work area cover in this machine. We have a chip conveyor, a cooling unit. Of course, we can also provide some other options, but for our stock machines, that's the basic configuration what we have. Yeah, the basic of this machine is, as I mentioned, you don't need a foundation, so we can build a machine very fast. We don't have a long assembly time for this machine. We have a base plate. That means that's basically the foundation of the machine. So we build on this base plate. We build our sidewalls. You can see the sidewalls of the machine. So that brings us the rigidity to provide a secure or a good performance in machining steel and titanium. And also what we have is the work area cover, so the complete machine is enclosed. You don't have the chips flying out of the machine. And also we can provide a tool changer for this machine. The standard is 50 tools, and extraction system to get all the dust and out of the work area, so you don't have any the hot or the during the machining. You don't have the hot area or dust in the machine area. And yeah, I think this machine we have one of these machines is sold in the US market since today. So we start with the installation of this machine in the mid of June. It's in Chicago, and hopefully we can push this kind of machine a little bit further, because it's a really attractive machine in combination with the short delivery time, the short assembling time, and the performance of this machine. Yeah. So that's our new FC40 compact, and hopefully, as I mentioned, we sell a lot of these machines in combination with our new facility in Wixom, with the spare parts and the new team, and we are excited to be a good partner for the whole market in the US. Thank you very much.
So, I would kannst du Video schalten? Yeah, after escape und dann Video, das ist schön. So after the presentation of the compact cell, you're more than welcome after to look around on the model. It's the easiest way. It's not possible for us to build up a FC40 compact in this show. So, and for sure the original one will also come with a control panel. So, yeah, no, it's that's a shipment issue. So, no, overall a nice product combined in a great family. The compact family that gives the customer the possibility from the lighter material up to the titanium machining, the overall chance to get a machine from Zimmermann. So this is just in addition to our 33, and I would like to go over to our grand presentation of the newest product line of Zimmermann. It is called the Horizontal Machining Center. So it is the newest kind of product line we have. It's the Horizontal Machining Center. Behind Lena, you can see the first graphic of the machine. It is right now in process to be assembled in Germany. We start with two machines. So one machine of these two is already sold to a customer. So the further process of this development is bring one of these two machines to the customer to in production time, in production, you can see and test everything more in detail than on your facility, and you get the feedback of the customer. So, so one of these two machines is already sold to a customer close to us, and the other one will stay in Germany in the headquarters for a long test period overall, and to be finalized for the open market. So the whole features of this machine type and what makes the difference to others, I would like to show you on the short movie presentation. Yeah, my finger. So the machine itself comes always with a automation system, with a pallet change system. This is the standard concept we provide. I come back later what kind of option the customer have. It comes always with the pallet system in front of the machine and the solid movable column. And the unique feature of this column is the concept itself, which is already patented to Zimmermann. So it makes the main difference to other concept, which is shown pretty cool in this kind of video sequence. So the ball screws you can see down there are the travel range for the Z-axis. Then you have the Y-axis and the X travel range, which goes 4.1 meter by 1.6 meter by 650 millimeter in depth. So, and the unique technology is what you see here in the comparison right now, is the concept of Zimmermann gives you the whole stiffness of the Z-axis, because we have the ram fixed on the column instead of a movable column itself. So you can see it later, as deeper you go in the pockets of the parts, as less stiffness you will get. And this is something we designed by ourselves and created a new concept that gives you much more rigidity in kind of milling the pockets, machining the pockets, and there you can see the difference. So the machine itself comes with a high-speed drive systems. It comes always, as I said, with the two pallet systems, so the customer have the advantage to say, okay, machine the parts while you load and unload the second pallet. So, and the automation will go automatically to the there you see it for the next machining part. And while this part is machined, you just go over and put the second pallet to the load and unload station. So this is just a feature that comes always with the machines. The machine itself is equipped with our own milling heads. So the customer have the choice of two versions of the heads. It's the first one is the V830 head, which comes with a 73 kilowatt spindle for high power aluminum machining. And the other option, which is basically designed for the aerospace industry, is the combination with the M3 milling head, our 3-axis milling head. That makes overall 6-axis machine out of it. So this is the advantage of the machine. And as the specialist out of the market knows, the advantage in machining aluminum is you do not have, especially for the aerospace structure parts, you do not have the the problems with the chips goes down, fall into the chip conveyor, go out. You have an overall covered work area, and this all in all gives a really big benefit in machining of aerospace structure parts in aluminum or composite material. So what I just want to show you here is, the first machines are already in the sample stage. So we're in process to create more and more customers. We have several projects where we're involved with our new machines. The options of this machine type is insane. You have the possibility to combine several kind of machine units to one machine center that is provided and feeded by just one pellet system that gives you the possibility to have more flexibility in your machining and in your production line. So there are several kind of concepts you can follow up with this kind of machine, and that's what we call an outstanding performance with integrated automation and maximum machine volume. That's our new product line, the horizontal machining center. It comes in standard with 4.1 by 1.6 by 650. It goes in X direction, 1 meter, step by step. In Y-axis, the customer have the option up to 2.6 meter, and the Z-axis, you go up to 1.0 meter. So overall, the customer have the choice, whatever he needs. And this is our future, this is our new product, and this is presented also together with the open house in Germany, beginning of July, together with a new facility. This will be the grand opening. So, sorry? Yeah, that was a good hint, thank you. Yeah, we're the Zimmermann Inc. team in Wixom, Michigan do not have a shop floor next to the office just for fun. So end of the year, the first horizontal machine center will be placed in our showroom for testing and doing some machine tests for the customer, do some time studies, and so this is the next step for us. And with this event, you all will be invited when we do an opening together with a machine center in-house to see, and make sure, Lena, have all your business cards. So yeah, okay, yeah. So yeah, this is that's the main event for us for the end of this year, and yeah, it's a great great product line and overall. So finally, it's just an updated and brand new information I got beginning this week. Zimmermann is always developing and innovative in all kind of machines. So beside the horizontal machine center, we're in a further step of development, so we're close to finish it. We started already the new project, and the only thing I can tell you today, and I want to keep something for the next press conference, so the only thing I can tell you today is there is something coming up new for the lighter material and also compact cell. It will be called a FZU in kind of U shape of the base frame. So this will be also equipped with an overall new milling head from Zimmermann, and yeah, it's just a graphic. What I can provide you, I was fighting for the first graphic, so yeah. Yeah. So this is coming in 2018. So we're looking forward for the next press conference, and then we can show you much more about the horizontal machine center and of course this machine here.